the mirror and it just exploded everywhere.
We can't put that in the vlog!
Alright, good morning guys. So this is gonna be kind of like a weird week in my life because today's Wednesday, but that's when classes start. So I'll just be vlogging Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, because it's the first week of classes. And sorry, my voice is kind of weird. I'm a little congested. I just woke up, but yeah, I think it'll be cool. So you can kind of see a week in my life, beginning of the semester, and we'll get right to it. This cute set this morning. It's from White Fox Boutique. I'm obsessed with it. It's so comfy. And then obviously the staple of the outfit, the UGG slippers. I live in them, literally. Hi vlog, I'm with Avery.
Hi.
And we're going into the house for lunch. I just got back from ZBT to pick up my boyfriend's and I's disposables because we went to San Francisco like a few weeks ago. And we picked these up and they're really cute. And we're getting ready for lunch. And
what's for lunch today?
I don't even know it.
It is orange chicken and I don't know, something else.
Cool. Well, I will see you guys when I'm eating. Oh, we love that. I said it used to be a full box, but Avery ate all.
Cut the camera.
She's got her donut. Yeah. Guys, say hi to the vlog.
Oh, she's flexible. Hi.
Alright, so I just had lunch and I went to class, my first class of the semester. I'm just sitting here and look at how cute these disposables came out. I'm literally obsessed. Let me show you. Okay, these are the ones that I was talking about. This is my trip from San Francisco a few weeks ago and they came out so cute. Literally so many. I'm so obsessed. I'm memorizing my tour stops because I'm an ambassador here at the school. So I'll show you my fit right now. Getting ready in an hour to go give a tour. So I guess I'll talk to you guys while I do my hair. I used the Hot Toddy product by Blow Dry Bar. It's so good. I swear by it. I love it and it smells amazing. Only like a little bit. I just kind of do all over. And then I used the Blow Dry Bar wand for bigger curls. And then actually I could do like a whole video on this about hair. I have this smaller wand. Literally bought it from CVS and it makes like beach waves. So cute. Okay, so I have half of it done. As you can see here, it took me like no time. I just brushed through it. And it creates like really nice big waves. So I'm gonna do it to the other side. So now that we're done, we just brush through it, give a little like that. And yeah. Yep. Perfect it looks. So I just finished my tour and it went really well, like actually better than I expected. And now I'm going to the gym. And I'm gonna work out and then I'm gonna go to the house for dinner and probably watch a movie with my friends. Here's my old dorm too. This is La Paz, has a special place in my heart. Alright, I just got done with my workout and I'm wearing Lululemon sports bra and Lily Bod leggings. You can't see the leggings, but they're super cute. We're at dinner!
What we had for dinner. We had chicken. I'll give that like a 4 out of 10.
Okay.
I would like to rate the ice cream a 10 out of 10 because that shit was awesome. The mashed potatoes were really good. The mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes were really good. Those I'm gonna give. Those were like a 9 out of 10.
Those were like a good 9.5.
I had the cheesecake bread. Like
yes, the brown
bread.
The brown bread.
Okay,
Kelly wants to say hi again. Kelly.
I can say hi.
this is my Breckenridge vlog.
She said that in the last vlog. I played with my hair.
Yeah, roommate tag coming soon.
Roommate Q&A coming soon. Yeah, follow her Keg Fit. Tell them who you're related to.
Oh, I'm related to Allen Iverson. He's my third cousin. He is. He's my third cousin. I literally have photo proof.
Yeah, okay.
I have photo proof.
With the receipts. I think, you know what? I think
That's no paper. What? Hello. Hi. We're gonna watch Euphoria soon. Alright.
Hey guys, this is my OTN. We got Converse, Nordstrom,
Yes.
Lulu's.
Cuteness.
My shirt is Lulu. My jacket's Lulu.
Lulu.
It's just that kind of day. And then
Hair clip.
hair clip Amazon.
Purse.
Earrings Amazon. Or no. Earrings Tiffany. Necklace Tiffany and Kendra Scott. And purse Amazon.
Love it. Kardashians for president. Bye. Kennedy.
Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
You can't.
Sorry.
Good morning. I just woke up. It's Thursday today. I think, yeah, Thursday. I just woke up and I'm gonna go downstairs and get some breakfast. It's the best coming out here and looking outside. Look at how pretty our campus is. You can see our deck and yeah, love my room. Good morning, guys. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, hey!
We just ate breakfast. I totally forgot to vlog that.
it was delicious.
It was so yummy.
It was so good. It's 9 a.m. Getting my day started. Alright, hi vlog. So I just got showered, did my hair, just, you know, curled it a little bit. I'm really sad because I chipped my nail. Yeah. I'm really bad with having nails. I actually can never keep all of them on, so I'm happy that they lasted this long. And I'm getting ready to do some homework and then I'm gonna go down for lunch. Okay guys, I just figured out how to make Google pink and I'm so excited. That's all I've been doing. I said OOTD because it looks so comfy.
Okay.
Okay.
Sweatshirt, Patagonia.
Love
and then
it.
we take off the sweatshirt.
Strip it down.
And I'm
Strip
going to
it
the
down.
gym later, so
Okay.
I already put on my little
Cuteness.
My
And
little
where is that
set.
whole set from?
Amazon.
She is the best at finding Amazon finds, so we should do an Amazon Q&A
And then my
one day
slippers
with
are
you.
Victoria's Secret.
Cuteness. Love it. There's Emma. Say hi. Just enjoying the sunshine. Here we are in class. You. All right.
Hey guys, I'm Connor. I'm a part-time hamster owner.
Yeah.
And I like to go fishing. I like to golf. I like to play chess.
He does like to play chess. I'll show your DJ moves later. All right, so just got back having Panera with Connor. And now I'm going to my second class of the day. It's kind of late. It's at 3:30. It's accounting. So wish me luck. Here is our dinner tonight. We have a salad bar and Marcella, rice. There's Avery. Okay, yeah.
Okay, I am Gia, Naked Wolf. I got this from I got it from Instagram. Someone sent it to me, and then Dior, Cartier, Adika. Or wait, no, Adina's Jewels.
Love it. We wear the same pants.
We almost wear the same top,
And we almost wore the same top.
but I wear it on Tuesday, so now I got to change.
Okay, the 21-year-old's opening her gift. It's a giant wine glass. It holds an entire bottle of wine.
That's exactly what I needed.
Hello, we're here celebrating Ava. OOTD. Here, tell me, Ava.
Addicted, and Amazon.
Okay.
Essentials, Lulu, Nike.
Love it. Cuteness. Alright, I'm here with Macy.
Hey vlog! We're here at CBT watching some pool. Miss you guys, love you guys. Super fun.
Alright, so it's Friday and it's currently 5 p.m. to the gym today with Connor and then I just got back to AFE and I'm going out to dinner with Izzy and then gonna do some homework, shower, and go to bed. Hey, hey. Oh, there she goes.
Pizza. So we're each getting our own broccoli, chicken,
Broccoli, chicken, and cheese sauce, each our own.
and then we were like, but we also kind of want pizza.
We're
We're gonna
starving.
split pizza as well.
Yes. Here with Lisby, Mia, and Joan. Ava's over there. We're watching TV. They spilled pickle juice on the couch, so it's kind of gross, but this is what we do. We just, you know, sit around and lounge. We vibe. Gym grind always, even at the Dutch. Oh.
Can I still fry?
Yeah, have a fry. Hi, vlog! I always do when Nicolette vlogs. I know, it's always like time to get excited. Alright, so that is the end of this week's vlog. Sorry it was kind of like not much about school. It was just like syllabus week, so there wasn't really much to vlog there, but I will do another one when I'm kind of like into my routine, my schedule, and stay tuned for more videos.